Fabrice, how do you feel the risk management framework has evolved over time to take into account emerging risks, AI and climate risks, for example?
It's always evolving, because we scan the horizon, we've got emerging risk and groups. So if you take, for example, climate, it's a risk that insurers have been looking at for many, many years and trying to understand what is the impact of climate on the risk that all insured face, and therefore that we need to understand. So there's the physical aspect of a climate risk, there's a transition risk to do with the assets we invest in, and there's also the liability aspect, which is always growing. So that framework keeps evolving as we understand more about the climate. And it's the same with AI. AI is still really, really new and it's really exciting. I think we're just discovering the possibilities that AI offers, but we know it also has some potential downside, and we need to have guidelines to use AI, for example, in terms of potential biases and isolation of models. So we're very, very focused on it, and it's also raised a number of questions about ethics. So what we've put in place recently is a committee that looks at both the guidelines that we need for AI, but also how the use of AI aligns with the Hiscox values, and that ethics aspect is really important.
Yeah, absolutely. I feel that a lot of the frameworks are developing now, like you say, they're quite dynamic to take into account various regulatory priorities. So they're enhanced in that aspect to take those into account.